Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting immediate access to the registrar or DNS provider because you cannot change records without proper credentials. Once logged in, export or screenshot the current zone so you can revert if needed. Make sure you note current TTLs and which records are authoritative. Next, open the DNS management interface, identify the zone for your domain, and prepare the first edits. Create or edit a /CNAME records with the new IPs while keeping a short rollback list in case you must restore. You now perform the detailed edits that actually route traffic. For each host, add or update a IP4 and add a IP6 records with the target IP and a sensible TTL. Lower TTL speed changes but increase queries. Use CNAME strictly for aliases and never alongside other records for the same name. Configure MX with priorities and add TXT entries for SBF or verification. Once done, check for conflicting entries or duplicate hosts. A clean zone prevents unpredictable resolution and may finish by saving and committing changes, and then verifying resolution from multiple locations because DNS propagation can take time based on TTLs. Use dig or host to query authoritative servers and public resolvers, and flush your local DNS cache and any CDN caches to test the new answers. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to your exported zone. Also check registrar glue records and name server settings. A single troubleshooting tip. Propagation delays are common. Confirm via authoritative queries before assuming failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.